Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to send money from one place in the USA to another in 2025. Whether you're splitting bills with a friend, helping family out, or just handling everyday finances, knowing the best ways to transfer money can save you time, money, and hassle. Let's break it down step by step. First off, why would you need to send money within the USA? It's all about convenience in our fast-paced world. Back in the day, you'd mail a check, but now, with 2025's tech advancements, we've got instant digital options that make it easier than ever. One of the most popular methods is using apps like Venmo, Zelle, or Cash App. These are free for most transactions and lightning fast. Money can hit the recipient's account in minutes. Just link your bank or card, enter the amount, add a fun note, and boom, you're done. But remember, always double-check for fees if you're using a credit card. If you prefer something more traditional, bank transfers are reliable. Log into your online banking, set up a transfer to another account, and it usually processes within 1 to 3 business days. For larger amounts, wire transfers through your bank or services like Western Union work well, though they might cost a bit more. Expect fees around $15 minus 30 depending on the bank. Looking ahead to 2025, we're seeing even more innovation. Think blockchain-based transfers for super secure, near-instant moves, or integrated payment systems in everyday apps. Always prioritize security. Use two-factor authentication, verify recipients, and avoid public Wi-Fi for transactions. In summary, whether you go digital or stick to banks, choose what's safest and cheapest for you. Give these methods a try, and let us know in the comments which one you prefer. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.